Hello, my name is Warren. If you ever want to take a Fantasy Ground Classic adventure module and take the map out of it and put line of sight on it so you can use it as Unity, this video is going to show you how to do this. All right, so first thing you want to do is go to this website, and I'll have this the link in the chat here. You want to go to this website, okay, and this is a documentation that you can use to help you extract the line of sight. So you can go here. It's a good document. I just couldn't understand it myself because not that great. No, I'm just kidding. But I couldn't understand it. But I made some mistakes. I didn't follow. I didn't follow something correctly, and Mr. Doug Davidson actually assisted me and was kind enough to show me what my error was. But maybe you're a little smarter than me. You can follow this document to the T, and you won't have an issue. Okay. So, so once you go to this document, you're going to need to extract the tool. This line of sight tool here is going to extract the data from the database.xml, the line of sight data. It's going to extract that, and then you're going to take that data and put it into your new module. So then the line of sight will be there when you open up your Unity in the module to run your games. Okay. So basically, just click this, extract it anywhere. I extract it to my desktop. And here it is, okay? And then just right click and extract it make sure you extract it into a folder, all right? That way you don't have stuff all over the place. And then it will be right here, okay? So you'll just take this, right click, run as administrator. That's what I normally do when I run stuff. All right, so I already did this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and delete that. Okay, I already have this module window open for my Fantasy Grounds Unity. So the first thing you want to do, you want to create a brand new campaign in Fantasy Ground Unity. Name it whatever you want. My modules or my LOS modules, whatever you want to name it. Okay. So, but it's important that you create a new campaign. Okay. So that way, do blank campaign. Once you create the campaign, you need to make sure the module that you want to use is open. I am going to use one of the quick modules. These are, by the way, these are some awesome modules here. These modules here, I didn't even read these modules before I ran them back in the day. These were so well built. I mean, it was amazing. I just was able to pick up the module and boom, everyone was running it. These are pretty good quick adventure modules, 1 through 5 here. Okay, so but anyway, I'm gonna use Quick Dungeon 1.0, Quick Dungeon the Hidden Tombs. So I'm just gonna open that. Okay, so now that I have it open, you can see it. We have it here. All right. So the first thing you're going to do if you got the module open, you want to go to Assets. You want to go to Images, and you want to find the image folder that has your map in it. All right. So here we go. Here. So next thing you want to do once you open that, you want to open this. And you want to find the image folder for the campaign, the adventure that you're trying to change the map in at LOC2, LOS. Sorry, LOC. We won't talk about that. All right, LOS. So I already did that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and delete it because I've ran this so many times. I can't get this video right. I don't know how many times I did this video. Okay. All right. So once you have both of these open side by side, under Assets, you want to grab the map that you need to add line of sight to. So I'm going to drag this over to here. All right. So we want to edit this. This should be the same. This should be the same name as the original map. That's right here. So we're going to delete everything to .jpg, JPG. All right. Another trick I'll show you one of the tricks. So whenever you want to create the grid, you need to grid it and then do the line of sight and all that good stuff. What I normally do, so I can I open the original map and get the grid size, which is 56. Okay. All right. As you can see here, the grid size 56. All right. That way we can have it exactly the same as the original map. We'll go in here and then we'll just drag this out. It's out to 56. There we go. Then you want to probably make sure it's about the same. So I kind of already know, but go ahead. I've done this map already, and then over here. Okay, so now it's all lined up nice. So once you did that, so now you can go and you can add the line of sight to it. I'm not going to go through all this, but this one already has it. Okay, so line of sight here. So it already did this. Okay, so but you'll go through and then you'll add your line of sight to whatever map that you need. Go ahead and do it. And then once you're done, that's it. We're gonna close. We're just gonna exit out of here, and that's it. Okay. And the next thing you want to do is you want to go to the folder, the Fantasy Ground module folder that has the module that you need to modify. So we go here, and we're going to find. Well, actually, I want to do this one. Get out of here. Let's go to this one here, and we're going to browse to the module that I was trying to work on, which was the quick dungeon right here, hidden tunes. I'm going to right click, and we're going to copy this and paste it to my desktop. All right, so once you have this on the desktop, you want to right click and then extract to here, extract to your desktop in a folder. Make sure you extract into a folder because you'll have files all over the place. And then we can open this up, and there we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to extract the line of sight data, and which is going to be in the form of an XML, and put it into this folder. And then technically you're supposed to rezip it and then change the zip to MOD, but we're not going to do that because it never works for me when I do. I'm going to show you another way. Okay. All right. So once that opens, now we're going to we're going to grab the line of sight tool right here. We're going to right click, and we're going to run as administrator. All right, it's going to open this here, and we want to hit the top one, the extract line of sight data from DB. So we're going to click this, and it's going to open up this. So what we're going to do is that campaign that you create, that unique campaign that you created, we're going to browse to that. Okay, so that's going to be in your SmitesWorks folder. All right, so some of you that might not know how to get there, go there, and then we're going to open up your campaign. And then this is what I named it, my Fantasy Ground Classic. Ooh, yeah, Classic module. I guess I shouldn't have said, oh yeah, Classic module. But anyway, I'm going to open that. Okay, here's the path. So it's your user, your username, app data, roaming, SmitesWorks, Fantasy Grounds, campaign, my Fantasy Grounds module, whatever you name the module. This is how it did that. So once you go there, this is the file that you want to grab. The line of sight stuff's in here, okay? It's also in here as well too, but this one never works for me. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong, but I got it to work. Let's say you can do either or. I got it to work with this one, okay? So I want to click on it, make sure it's there, file name is there, and hit open. Now the next thing to do is we need to put this in the folder where the map is, okay? The original map, okay? So which is right here. Nope, right here. Okay, here's the player's map right here. What it's going to do is it's going to create an XML file with the identical name as this one here. All right, so we're going to browse to this folder, wherever this folder is. I got it on the desktop here. I'm going to browse there. I go on my desktop, quick dungeon, and then don't click any of these. This should stay empty. Don't click this because then you're going to name it and all this stuff, and it's going to try to overwrite something. So anyway, don't click anything here. So we're going to click save, and the last thing you're going to do is right here, extract. I'm not sure what that says, Ogler or whatever data. We're going to extract the line of sight data. So it's going to appear in here. So I'm going to click this, and bam, there it is. Here it is. This file, this XML has all the line of sight data that you created when you created your line of sight and within the Unity interface. Okay. So here's everything. I don't know what this stuff means. All these, I have no idea what all this is. But this is it. This is the XML. So now that this is here, you need to put this into, well, okay. They say that you can just go ahead. I will close this and close this. So they said that you can just go ahead and right click this and zip it. You know, when you right click, well, you right click, you zip it, and then you'll change the extension from whatever, like this one is oops, this one is, oh, well, anyway, well, to the zip name, because it will be .zip, .7zip. I don't know. You would zip it, and then you would change it to MOD. You need to get this off of here, though, if you do that. But anyway, that's never worked for me. I'm not doing that. That's never worked. So forget about it. So what I do, anyway, is I go back to this mod file here. I right click, and then I go to zip, and then I say open archive. All right. So once I got that open, I go here and I drag this into here and save it. Boom. Okay. And then that's it. I close it. Then oops, it pops up over here. Then I take this and I put it in my Unity Classic folder, which SmiceWorks, Unity, mod, my mod folder. So I browse to there, my SpiceWorks Fantasy Grounds mod folder, and then I copy and paste. I already got one in there, so I won't do it. But then I copy and paste, cut and paste, whatever you want to do. I just take it and I put it in there, and then boom, that's it. And you go open up your Fantasy Grounds Unity, open up, I'll open up Fantasy Grounds Unity, open up a new campaign. Okay, just like a new blank standard campaign, and then open up the folder within Unity and make sure everything is working, a line of sight and stuff is working. Okay, sorry if there's a little skip in the video. I had some technical difficulties at the end of the last video. Basically, what I was getting to was if you have any issues on how to set up your line of sight, there is some information here, right here. If you click this link, let's go back to the top. And then let's scroll down. And right here, which is define all this, please refer to this link here. So if you click this link, it'll take you to another page. And these videos will show you how to do walls, how to add doors, terrain, and stuff like that. It's pretty good videos to help me out big time. Okay, so anyway, that's it, guys. If you have any questions, just let me know in the chat or whatever. If you know me, you can find me on Discord. But if you have any issues, just let me know. But the way I described it in this video, it works for me. I've done modified quite a few maps that was originally created for Fantasy Ground Classic, and I was able to modify them so they could be used in Unity. So anyway, guys, you have a good one. Peace. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.